Hey guys, Henry here from Product Creation Formula. In this video, we're going to be speaking about the new AI voiceovers that Pictory has. But before we go ahead and do that, I just want to let you know, here at Product Creation Formula, we love to give you tips and tricks to better help you create your products quickly and easily. Along with that, we also do product reviews, as well as tips on how to make money online. So if that's the sort of thing that interests you, how about you smash that like button as well as subscribe and hit the bell icon so you can be notified whenever we upload more videos. Alright guys, let's go check it out. Now, one thing I will say about Pictory is they do constantly update and they do constantly improve on their product. Okay, so for a start, they've actually improved on their logo, which is pretty cool. But okay, there's a lot more to what they've improved on. So let's go and have a look at what they've done. Now let's first of all put in a script like we normally do. I'm going to go over here to the script to video, just click on that. And we're just going to quickly paste in a script that I have, and it is called Discover Why You Need a Success Mindset. We're just going to copy that. And we're going to place that straight into here. So I'm just going to go Control C, and we're going to just place that straight into the top there. Now, I'm going to just pause the video while I remove all of the hyphens between the word mindset, because I know for a fact that it doesn't necessarily like it. So I'm going to pause the video while I do that. Alright, now that I've done that, let's proceed and we will continue with what we're doing. I'm going to be choosing the landscape version. Just click on that, and in just a moment or two, it will create the video for me, and I will go straight over to the voiceover section so we can actually have a quick look at what it's like. Alright, now we're back. Now the first thing we're going to be doing is we won't have a worry about going through the videos, you know, the visual side of it right this second. We can always fix that up a little bit later. Well, one thing I will do though before I do go any further is I'll correct this section here. I don't like it being too light, so to fix that up all I need to do is get that, drag it down to a darker section of the screen. And then usually I take that up to about 80 to 85%, and then I also apply that to the entire video. And I can also position that a bit higher up, preferably into the center. And we will then, we'll go off there for 1 second, and then we'll apply the position across the entire screen. That way it covers everything. Now let's just press play and see what music they've chosen. No, not liking that music, but we'll go over here and have a look at the audio section right this second, and we'll choose another audio. So we'll listen to this. That'll do. We'll apply that one. Okay, so now let's go over to the voiceovers. We'll quickly throw that in. Now we have some new voices. Now you've got a choice of choosing male or female, and you'll normally have both of them ticked. But I like to use just male, so what we're going to do is you obviously have Joey, so let's have a look at Joey and have a listen to see what he's like.
Welcome to Pictory. It has been shown that video increases conversion rates by 80%.
Joey's fairly mediocre. Then you have Kevin, who's a child, which we'll probably not worry about. Then we have Eugene.
Welcome to Pictory. It has been shown that video increases conversion rates by 80%.
Not a big fan of that one. We'll have a listen to Scott.
Welcome to Pictory. It has been shown that video increases conversion rates by 80%.
Yep, that's not bad. Let's have a listen to
Welcome
Mark.
to Pictory. It has been shown that video increases conversion rates by 80%.
That one sounds a lot more natural. We'll listen to it again. I'll be quiet this time.
Welcome to Pictory. It has been shown that video increases conversion rates by 80%.
Now, as you can see, it sounds much more natural. Let's have a listen to Austin.
Welcome to Pictory. It has been shown that video increases conversion rates by 80%.
Now, when it speaks a tiny bit faster like that, it sounds far more natural. We'll have a listen to Jeff.
Welcome to Pictory. It has been shown that video increases conversion rates by 80%.
Now, Jeff sounds pretty good too. And you got over here, you got in the UK voice, if you wish. You obviously have your male one, which is Brian, who's been around for a while. So let's have a listen to Chris.
Welcome to Pictory. It has been shown that video increases conversion rates by 80%.
I'm not exactly sure what part of England that's from, but you listen to Ben.
Welcome to Pictory. It has been shown that video increases conversion rates by 80%.
And we'll listen to Brian as well. Let's have a listen to what.
Welcome to Pictory. It has been shown that video increases conversion rates by 80%.
Okay, sounds a bit slow, a bit there. And we'll also have a listen to Russell, who's the Australian, the original Australian one.
Welcome to Pictory. Did you know that video increases user engagement by 80%?
Okay, now that wasn't great, but let's have a listen to Phil.
Welcome to Pictory. It has been shown that video increases conversion rates by 80%.
We'll have a listen to Oliver.
Welcome to Pictory. It has been shown that video increases conversion rates by 80%.
Now if I was going to choose an Australian voice, I think I'd choose Oliver. And then we've got the two Indian voices.
Welcome to Pictory. It has been shown that video increases conversion rates by 80%.
Then we'll go down to the bottom.
Welcome to Pictory. It has been shown that video increases conversion rates by 80%.
I won't try and pronounce those names. I think it's Avik and Shaveen. But yeah, if I'm wrong, please forgive me. So what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be actually choosing Austin.
Welcome to Pictory. It has been shown that video increases conversion rates by 80%.
So that's the one I'm going to be choosing. So I'm going to hit apply there. And that will have applied it to the entire video. Now let's have a listen to this, and let's start from the beginning and see what that's actually like.
Discover why you need a success mindset.
Okay, now let's go and have a look. I'm going to do a preview. I'm not even going to go through the visuals right now, primarily because I'm just showing you right now the audio. So let's have a look at that. We'll do a preview and see what that's like. This won't take long, but I will pause the video in the meantime.
Discover why you need a success mindset. You hear it all the time. Success is a state of mind. There are people who would argue that success is a natural result of proper planning, preparation, and focused action, and that viewpoint certainly holds a grain of truth, but there are also many exceptions to disprove that rule. Have you ever wondered how two people can attempt the same objective in the same way and only one of them succeeds? Is it sheer luck? Timing? Tenacity? More often than not, it's a person's mindset that determines whether they fail or succeed. What is a mindset, anyway? Typically, a mindset refers to your predominant state of mind day to day. It's what you think about, focus on, and expect from your daily experiences.
Okay, so as you can see, that is pretty phenomenal when it comes to how well it sounds. It sounds like a real human's voice. I mean, I'm blown away at how Pictory is constantly updating and improving their site. I personally think that's a really good voice. In fact, I'm using that voice, using this very same video, on my Freedom Foundation channel. If you want to check that out, that'll be in the description down below, and you can check out that channel. And you can see the entire video on its own, and it'll be different images and so forth, but it's there and you'll be able to see how good this actually is. So you can actually see by looking at that they've really improved it. Now they've obviously, I didn't click on apply when I chose that audio before in the background music, so I must have forgotten to do that. Let's have a quick look at that again. We'll apply this. There we go. Let's have a look and see if that's the right one. Yep, that's better. Now that works better. Let's have a listen to this.
Discover why you need a success mindset.
That's better. It's applied it to it. So all you need to do now is, once you've created the video and you've gone through all the images, and if it matches what you want it to say and it's doing what you want, then you can of course add this straight to your generation, and you can just generate the straight up. So far I'm liking what I'm seeing. So yep, okay, all right, I'm going to just generate the video. So we just go here, generate the video, and it will create the video, and we can download it after that. So I'm just going to pause the video while it generates the video. Alright, so here we are, and all we have to do is just click on that. And then once we do that, we can then download it to wherever we want. And you can put it in any folder you wish, and it'll be all done. Okay. That is all there is for this particular video. Let's go check out the joke. A proud but confident genius makes a bet with an idiot. The genius says, "Hey idiot, every question I ask that you don't know, you have to give me $5. But if you can ask me a question that I don't know, then I'll give you $5,000. The idiot looks at him and says, "Okay." The genius asks the first question. He says, "How many continents are there in the world?" The idiot thinks about it for a second and then pulls out his wallet and hands him $5. He says, "Your turn." He goes, "What animal stands on 2 legs and sleeps with 3? And he stands there and he's thinking for a while. And eventually he pulls out his wallet and gives him $5,000. And he says, "Darn it. What was the answer to that question?" Next thing, the idiot pulls out his wallet and gives him $5. Alright guys, if you like this video, please consider smashing the like button as well as subscribing and also hitting the bell icon so you can be notified whenever we upload more videos. Hey, while you're at it, why not consider sharing and also leave a comment down below and let me know what you think of this video and the new voiceovers that Pictory has. Alright guys, now over here is a video I believe you might like. Down here is a video YouTube thinks you might like. And right here is an icon that if you press it, you'll be able to subscribe. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching and bye for now.